What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be one of those videos that I've been doing actually a lot lately. I'm been copycatting somebody. Not really copycatting, but something. We're gonna build something in a one-day build that you probably seen everybody on YouTube, a lot of people on YouTube build, and it's because I'm getting tired of this little table and that little table. So we're gonna make a 2x6 welding table. It's not gonna be anything fancy. It's not gonna be a fixture table or anything like that. It's gonna be one long enough table where I can sit right here and work off of. Because obviously the one that I had built, this one, is turning into a machining table with the brake and sanders and the drills and everything, and the vices. So we're gonna build another table where we could actually weld on, and it's gonna be all metal, and it's gonna be all scrap metal except for the top. The top is not scrap metal. I did have to buy it. So let's get this thing going because I'm excited for this one. I'm excited for all of them. Anything to upgrade the shop, it's always good. So let's go.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound.
corrosive. Boil thing kicking the frog, never noticed. How many times did we question the motive? Thing we learned, we got too close to the ones and O's, we lost control. You didn't wanna
What I think I'm going to do now, guys, is half of it is going to be maybe, yeah, maybe half of it to like right here. That way it's going to be a solid sheet of metal, and then the rest of this is going to have like maybe a few more slats in here just so we could plasma cut. Use it as a plasma cutter. So I think that worked out pretty good for us. And our 3/8 pieces. Oh crap. Dropped my soda. I'm just putting a good tack because these need to be replaceable. So if I need to ever replace them, cut them out. Actually looking pretty good, guys. It's nice and sturdy. Nice and sturdy, and got my plasma cutting area. Then I'll have a sheet over there. Looking pretty good. New fab table. Dual welding and plasma cutting. It's gonna be great. Yeah, I gotta do some tacking on the bottom of this. Oh well, I'll do it off camera. That's boring. Couple tacks on the bottom. That'd be nice to get these little tables out of here and only use them when we need to outside. This is gonna be neat. Just gonna do a little cleanup on it with the grinder. Anything else before we paint? We'll just give her a dusting. She's gonna get all tore up anyway. Welded on and damn, that's heavy. I don't think anybody on YouTube has actually done this. If they have, I haven't seen it. If you know somebody that's done this, a combination table, I've seen where they added a little piece to it, but they didn't make a integrate it all into one. Because we can still use the whole thing for fabricating if we need the length. Then we have a certain section to plaz on if we need to plaz. Then we have the section to weld on. It's gonna help me out a lot. Get this table out. This is actually a good table. I really like it. I think it's by DeWalt. So we'll keep it in a place where we could get to it really easy if we need to pull it out. That one will probably be put up for a while because we're gonna have the new table, this little table for like outside and if we're working on the Jeep or whatever, just to store tools. And then we have the machining area all back there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a hot day today and I'm glad this is over with. I think this turned out pretty neat. I think I could have did a little bit better, but we'll figure it out. And then I'll do another video on the little accessory things that we're gonna do on this table that you can add to yours, like the vise, certain racks, the shelving underneath. But anyway, as always, please hit that subscribe button for me. Comment on them, like them, all that YouTube stuff. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, as always, here in RTillery's Fab and Off-Road Shop, life's short, so just floor it. Peace.